Hello everyone, today we're reviewing ECOS mining, one of the most controversial cloud mining platforms with wildly mixed reviews. Some call it legitimate, others say it's a Ponzi scheme, with users reporting both successful withdrawals and frozen accounts. What's the truth? Let's break down the evidence. So ECOS presents itself as a legitimate cloud mining company based in Armenia's free economic zone since 2017. They claim to have mining facilities near the Hrazdan power plant, partnerships with Bitmain, and legal registrations. You buy mining contracts, they supposedly mine Bitcoin for you, and you receive daily payouts. On paper, it sounds professional. Here's where it gets complicated. ECOS has over 1,400 reviews on Trustpilot, with a 3.2-star average. Some users report smooth operations, easy to use, transparent, and perfect for beginners. Real results with great support. Others praise consistent small payouts and working withdrawals. But the negative reviews are brutal. One user invested and watched their account get frozen while trying to withdraw and building trust with small payouts. Another mined for over 2 years, accumulated over $900 in Bitcoin, and received nothing. A detailed complaint states, once you invest more, your account is suddenly frozen and all withdrawal attempts are blocked. Multiple users report being blindsided by excessive fees. One calculated that fees consumed 72.6% of their daily mining revenue, paying $4.20 daily in fees on only $6.10 per day earned. Another reported their per day gain dropping from 67 cents to just 18.8 cents over 2 months due to rising fees and declining profitability, realizing they'll never reach the $100 minimum withdrawal plus $30 transaction fee. That's right, a 30% transaction fee on top of already minimal earnings. Critics point out that ECOS follows classic Ponzi warning signs. They pay small amounts initially to build trust, then freeze larger withdrawal attempts. Customer support runs scripted loops claiming we're working on it for months with no resolution. Some fraud investigators label it as using new investor money to pay old investors. Textbook Ponzi structure. The most common complaint is withdrawal failures. Users report accounts being deactivated the moment they try to withdraw, receiving fake Visa debit cards that don't work, being told to pay additional verification fees to access their funds, and waiting months with generic support responses that never resolve issues. One user was told they mined 3 Bitcoin worth $50,000, but to withdraw it, they had to pay extra fees and receive nothing. Here's the confusing part. Some users genuinely report receiving withdrawals successfully. They describe steady small profits, working systems, and reliable payouts. This fits the Ponzi model, where early or small investors get paid to create legitimacy, while larger investors or later participants get frozen out. The final verdict, ECOS mining is high risk and not recommended. While some users have successful experiences, the overwhelming complaints, withdrawal freezes, excessive fees, and Ponzi-like behavior make this too dangerous for most investors. Cloud mining is rarely profitable even when legitimate, and ECOS has too many red flags. If you want Bitcoin exposure, buy it directly from regulated exchanges like Coinbase or Kraken. Don't gamble on cloud mining platforms with mixed reputations and withdrawal horror stories. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.